We can see right now, it's after hours. The number came out on eBay, and I will update people. This is the tick chart. So right when the headline number came out, you went from 22.20 all the way up to almost 23.20. And you can see here that this is an after hours live tick chart. And eBay has given it all back. This is what happens. It spiked up. We got short right there. So we're making money on that short. And so basically it went up. We hit that short. You can see where it is. We're going to start covering that short right in here. And this is how you can make money on earnings on a publicly traded company. And we've already come out of it. You can see here it's all over the map. I will update you. This is the move that it did. It shot straight to the top. They brought it all the way down here. They've shot it back up. You've got to be a fast gunslinger trader to get in and out, getting short, getting long. You can see it's all over the map. You can see that this thing is zipping around. Let me find out what the report is, and I'll update you in 1 minute. Okay, stockmarketfunding.com, after hours. Here is the preliminary number, was 44 versus 40. Revs were 2.37 billion versus 2.29 billion. That was your headline number there. eBay sees Q1 of 39 to 41 versus 40. That's first call consensus. Sees revs of 2.1 to 2.2 billion is what they see versus 2.16 billion. So basically the revenue line looking forward is higher than what it was the previous quarter. eBay sees FY10 $1.63 to $1.68 now versus $1.60. So that means that number is higher than that $1.60, that first call consensus. Sees revs of 8.8 to $9.1 billion on the rev versus $9 billion first call. So the revs that they see, even with those other numbers, they're just not extremely high. And we're going to see if other stocks that are related to it. This is what happens on an earnings report. eBay's in the internet sector. It's popping up. We had a print go off here on Google, it looks like. So we get gap up in other sectors. Let's take a look and see if Apple is gapping up in relationship. Let's take a look. Apple, AAPL. At 2, let's see if it's going to gap up or not. Based on those earnings, it's 211 by 211, 57 by 83, 211, 57 by 83. They closed at 73, so not seeing a big move here in after hours related to eBay, but we are seeing it in Google. They popped that Google to 583 and then popped the bid right back down. So I will update you more as to what eBay is all over the map here. And you can see that the stock is 50, 60 cents up there. Went straight up, went straight down, went straight back up, came down, and now we're headed back as people discover more about these earnings that I just mentioned on the tape. This is how we trade earnings in after hours. And we look at it in a way like, okay, well, if I own another stock that's related to the sector, is that stock moving up or down? So this is how it works. Knee-jerk reaction. The prints are printing wildly right here. So we went up. We've gone all over the place in here. And there was good money made on that short. There was good money made back off of the long side. And right now, we're just kind of like sitting on the sideline. There will be a conference call. And so Q4 revs are 2.37 billion versus 2.29 billion, as I said. So this particular quarter is not a bad quarter. And their forward-looking guidance is not below the previous quarter's guidance. It's actually okay. It's not robust, but it's not bad either. So that's how they trade here in after hours. And a lot of people don't know how to trade after hours. In our pro trading school, We teach you how to trade these earnings on every equity. Once the market closes, you can really get some good deals. Because you could have bought eBay down here after it dropped and then made the move. We captured 2 very quick trades, made some money very quickly. More than what a lot of people make in a whole month. See you at stockmarketpunting.com.